So today's topic is tables. Okay. What is the difference between listings and tables? For listings, we are just dumping the data information in the RTF file. Like whatever information they are giving in the RTF file, same thing we are dumping. We are taking the data from Adam datasets and we are dumping into the listings in the form of RTF file. That's it. Correct? We're just modifying the dataset. Whatever variables we require, those variables we are taking and we are just dumping it and we are creating RTF file. Correct? By keeping required variables,
Yes,
adjusting the
yes.
output cell width, and we'll write the proc report section and display the appropriately in the RTF file. That's it we are doing in listings. But in tables, we have to do some calculations, guys. We have to find out the number of subjects, percentage calculation, etc. You know about proc means, proc freak, proc transpose, like proc methods. You know, right? Already
Yes,
we
sir.
have seen.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, those methods we are going to use in tables. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever we have seen in base and advanced, that we are going to see in these tables. Okay. So first one, subject assignment to analysis population. This is a safety table, guys. Okay. So I am going to Mockshell tables and opening the first table, 14 underscore 1 underscore 1. Like we this tables involves the calculations like percentage calculations, frequency, mean, median, all the statistics will be doing in tables. Okay. So if you see the mock shell, this is little bit different compared to our listings. My voice is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so table we can see this is the header part. So they are asking us to display. See first, if you see label like a title, they are asking table 14.1.1 subject assignment to analysis population. Then they are giving the header like population, statistics, and drug A, drug B, drug C, drug D, and all. Which means they are asking us to represent the table with safety population who comes under drug A, their count. Understood? First of all, they're asking to create one header. In this header, they're asking to take patients who are taking drug A, patients who are taking drug B, their count, capital N counts. This is called capital N counts, guys. They're asking patients who are taking drug A, drug B, drug C, their counts. And here, in that drug A patients who are taking drug A and who are coming under safety population, that count and percentage, and patients who are taking drug B and who are coming under safety population, their count and their percentage. Understood? Here it is divided into two parts. One is header and one is body part. Header part it is like capital N counts. While coming to body parts, small n counts. Capital N counts means number of patients who are taking that particular drug. Small n counts means number of patients who are coming under that category, whether it is safety population or DLT available population or PK available population, whatever they give the category, whether they are coming in that category. How many patients out of that? See, for example, if we imagine drug A is taken by 10 patients, understood? Out of 10, how many are coming under safety population? Imagine, let us take you 5 patients. Then what will be the percentage? Can anyone tell me? Out of 10
50%.
patients, sorry,
50%.
50%, right? So that is what they're asking to represent. In this way, they're asking us to represent, which means uh, 10 patients are taking drug A. Out of 10 patients, 5 patients are coming under safety population, and their percentage calculation is percentage is 50%. In the same way for drug B, in the same way for drug C. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Ashwant, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, for all the tables, if you are calculating capital N counts, for all the tables capital N counts, we can take directly from ADSL dataset. Understood? Adam subject level dataset. From Adam datasets only, we can take directly from ADSL dataset for capital N counts. While coming to small n counts, body part calculation. This is body part, guys. This is body part calculation. It depends on the mock shell as per the mock shell, like whatever they are giving in the mock shell, as per that we'll be taking. For example, SAFFL. Can we see this SAFFL in ADSL dataset? Already we have seen in listings, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, we can see, right? Safety
Yes, sir.
population we
Safety
can see in
population.
ADSL. So we can take from ADSL. If, for example, if they are asking something related adverse events, then from which data set we can take? Already we
AD.
see, yeah,
ADAE,
ADAE.
Hmm.
If they're asking something related to laboratory, then from which data set we need to?
ADLB.
ADLB. Understood?
Hmm.
Capital and counts, obviously, like we'll be taking from ADSL only.
Hmm.
But body part will be taking as per the mock shell. Whatever they are giving information based on that, we'll be taking the information from that particular data set. Clear, right, till here?
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah. Now what I am doing, same. Let me call one program. I will be taking listing programs. Okay. Let me take some. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm copying the header part. Same. Even in what you say tables, you need to start with header part only. So I'm copying the title. Title. I'm taking the title. Then I'm copy pasting the title here. I'm changing here instead of listings. What we need to take? Table.
Tables.
Table and table name. What table we are creating to produce table. This one. Okay. Let me remove tables. Remaining everything is same. Here we can write tab. Like here also they will be giving table name. So table 1_1 that I am taking here. Okay, whatever they have mentioned in the tracker sheet, as per to that I am taking the information. Okay, clear, right?
Hmm.
Okay, fine. Now what I am doing is this I'm changing date
Hmm.
21. Then I'm calling libname and calling Adam datasets by creating Adam library. Okay. From this Adam library, what I'm doing is I'm creating one datasets, guys. First, I'm creating header part. Okay. First, I'm calculating the header part, which means I want this one. Drug A, how many patients are taking drug A? Drug B, how many patients? Drug C, how many? Drug D, how many? Overall count, what is the overall count? Okay, that I want. In order to get that count, what I need to do first, I'm just creating one data set, work library, data set in work library, data ADSL1 I'm creating, set I'm taking from adam.adsl. Okay, required variables. I want, how can I calculate the capital N counts? I want subjects in order to calculate the patients, right? So I'm taking U subject ID. Understood? Next, I want the treatment values. So in ADSL, what are the treatment variable? What is the treatment variable? TRT01P, right?
Hmm.
Numbering also I'm taking TRT01P, PN, and run. So these are the required variables. When I execute this automatically, ADSL dataset will get created in work library. If you see ADSL dataset, this will be having subject ID and patients who are taking drugs. See, if you see, this is the subject ID, patient IDs, treatment names, treatment number. Okay. See how many patients are there who are taking treatment one, one, two, three. Three patients are taking treatment one. How many patients are taking treatment two? Three patients. Treatment three, one, two, three. Three patients are taking treatment three. Treatment four, one, two. Understood?
Okay.
What is the overall patient count? 19, right?
19. Hmm.
So that is what they're asking. That count they're asking in the header part. Capital N. Treatment A, 3 patient. Treatment B, 3 patient. Drug C, 3 patient. Drug D, 2 patient. Overall 19. Understood? Why overall is coming 19? Why? Because there is some missing values. Okay.
Hmm.
This might be screen failure patient. If which means if they fail the screening, they'll not give the medicine. They'll not give the treatment. Understood?
Okay.
Clear? So here we have treatment 1, treatment 2, treatment 3, 4. We don't have 5, which means all count. Do we have any all count? No, right? In order to find all count, what I am doing is I'm just creating one extra data set, extra variable in data set. So I'm creating ADSL2. Then I'm asking SAS to take information from adam.adsl. Then I'm asking SAS to create one new variable, like in new variable TRT01PN. I'm asking SAS to create one new observation 5. Then treatment value I'm giving as treatment value TRT01P is equal to all. Understood? Then keep, I'm asking SAS to keep only these variables. use subject ID, treatment plan number, and run. So when I execute, this ADSL2 dataset will get created, and it will be having only all the use subject IDs along with under TRT01P it will come A all, treatment number it will come 5. Now if I combine both the ADSL1 and ADSL2, I can see 1 2 3 4 5 in same data set, right? Are you able to understand?
Okay.
Sujit
But
garu?
this
అసలు
Yeah.
అది సెకండ్ డేటా సెట్ ఎందుకు క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం మనం?
Okay. ఎందుకు అంటే why? Because see here, as per mock shell they are asking all count. అర్థమవుతుందా? They are asking all count. In ADSL1 dataset we have only 1 2 3 4. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, count we can count. First
Okay,
drug
for
it is
missing
taken.
values we are taking now. Missing TRT, missing
Total values.
screening sequence.
Total values. In order to count total values, we are taking treatment 5. I'll tell you why. Okay, let me combine both the dataset. E dataset, our dataset combine jesi, I'll tell you why. Okay, so what I am doing, I'm combining both the datasets. Okay, data ADSL3 I'm creating. So I'm merging by set concept ADSL1 and ADSL2. Okay, run. So when I execute, automatically ADSL3 dataset will get created. So now when I open the ADSL3, you can see one treatment, two treatment, third treatment, fourth treatment, and here we can see the fifth treatment. Why we are creating fifth treatment means in order to get the count. Understood? How we can get the count? By writing the proc SQL. అర్థమైందా సుజిత్ గారు? Why? Because see, if I want the count of treatment 1, I can count 1 2 3. If I want treatment 2, count 1 2 3. Why? Because it is representing with 2 number, it is representing with 1 number, it is representing with 3 number. But if I want to count all counts, I can just take 5 number. How many 5s are there? That many overall count. That is the overall count. Understood? Guys,
కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంది.
okay,
కొంచెం
okay,
కన్ఫ్యూజన్
fine.
ఉంది.
Okay, let me write the proc step, then you'll understand. This last step, like if I write this, then you can understand. I'm writing proc SQL, okay? And I'm asking now to print the data in output. Okay. Now I'm asking SAS to create a table. Table TRT as select. I'm asking to select TRT01PN, comma TRT01P, comma count of. Guys, Sujit garu, meeku proc SQL మీద ఐడియా ఉందా? Proc SQL. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Count. I'm asking SAS to count distinct. Okay, distinct use subject ID. Okay, use subject ID as I'm giving new variable called denom. You can give any name. I'm just giving denom from ADSL3. So what I am doing, I'm asking SAS to take treatment number, treatment name, and count distinct use subject ID. How many different use subjects IDs are there for different treatments? I'm asking SAS to count and take as denom. So what it will create? It will create in the data set what it will take from ADSL3, and it will create how many 1 patients are there, how many 2 patients are there, how many 3 count patients are there, how many fourth drug patients are there, how many fifth drug patients are there. Understood? If I create, then you'll come to know. Now what I am doing, I'm giving condition where treatment should not be missing. So I'm giving treatment number not equal to missing. Then I'm writing GROUP group by. I'm grouping everything by treatment number and treatment name. Treatment number, comma treatment name, and also order by. Okay. Okay. TRT01P. Here I need to remove that. Okay. Now TRT01PN, comma TRT01P. Semicolon I'm giving. Then I'm quitting it. So when I execute this one, automatically if you see, it will group and it will give the count. TRT is created. If you see the 3RT, what happened, guys? Treatment number, what is coming? Treatment 1, treatment 2, treatment 3, treatment 4, treatment 5, it is coming. Understood? Which means drug A is this one, drug B is this one, drug C is this one, drug D is this one. Overall count is this one. That is why I am taking all. Understood? అర్థమైందా సుజిత్ గారు ఇప్పుడు?
ఓకే. ఆ మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ అండి?
ఆ
స్క్రీనింగ్ లో
మిస్సింగ్
మిస్సింగ్
వాల్యూస్ అదే స్క్రీనింగ్ లో మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ మనకు అవసరం లేదండి. అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టే జస్ట్ we
ఓకే.
don't
ఓకే.
want those
అక్కడ
values. That
ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్
is
లో
why, yeah, we are taking this one for all count. So that is why I'm giving here
మిస్సింగ్
treatment missing value not equal to
ఓకే.
missing. Why? Because here they're asking who patients who are taking drug A, that count. Patient who are taking drug B, that count. Here overall patients. They're not asking combination of A plus B plus C plus D. They're asking overall count. Understood? That is why I'm taking overall count as this one, all and 5. So when I execute that, automatically my count will be 19. If you add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, you'll be getting 11. But my count is 19. Why? Because there are some screen failure patients who didn't receive any drug. Understood?
ఓకే.
Is
So
it
we
clear?
will represent only who received the treatment, but not the screen failures. And
Yeah.
but we have to take the total count.
Yeah, total count, and the total count will be taking along with screen failures. But we'll be representing like drug A, how many patients are receiving drug A. This is the treatment one, which means drug A. Drug A, 3 patients are receiving. 3 patients are receiving drug A. 3 patients drug B. 3 patients drug C. 2 patients drug D. Overall, I have 19. Out of 19, only 11 patients are receiving drugs, and remaining patients got failure. Screen failure happened. Understood?
Okay, got it.
Ashwant,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So my capital and counts I have created. Drug A, how many patients are there? 3. Drug B, 3. C, 3. D, 2. So how we are creating? First, what I am doing? Just I am creating one data set by keeping the variables as per mock shell. I want the drug counts along with patients. So I am taking U subject ID, character value of treatment along with numerical value of treatment. I am creating one ADSL data set. In order to get the total count, I am creating new variable 5 and giving all as treatment name as all and number as 5, and I'm taking U subject ID along with these variables. So when I execute, automatically ADSL2 dataset will create, and this ADSL2 dataset will have only the subject ID along with all and 5, which means 19 observation for all 19 subjects. Treatment will be all and treatment number will be 5, so that I can count, I can get the total count. Understood? So then I'm combining both the data sets, ADSL1 and ADSL2. I'm combining. Then by using this ADSL3, which is like here you can see ADSL3. This will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So based on that, I'm counting the number by using ProcSQL. I'm using ProcSQL. I'm asking SAS to create a table called TRT, and I'm asking SAS to select these variables from ADSL3 TRT01P. See, if you give first a number, then again order will be changing. Always see, if you are giving TRT01P first and then PN, order will get changed. You will not get proper answer. Always numerical value should be first. Then only it will get sorted accordingly. So I'm giving treatment number first, then treatment name, then count distinct U subject ID. Like how many patients are getting different drugs. I'm asking SAS to count, and that count should be taken under this denom variable. Understood? All this information should be taken from which data set? ADSL3 data set, which is this one. We created, right? So I'm giving one condition where treatment plan not equal to missing. Missing data, we are not bothered about missing data. Why? Because we don't want that missing data. That is why I'm telling where treatment plan number not equal to missing. And I'm asking SAS to group by. See, if you see ADSL3 data set, how it is, one is coming 3 times, two is coming also, two also coming for 3 times or 2 times, and 5 is coming for 19 times. So I'm asking SAS to group it. Understood? So when we group it, automatically it will come only one time. Understood? 2 will be represented only one time, 3 will be represented one time. And order, when you give order, automatically it will come in the order like 1 2 3 4 5, sorting. Understood? As we are writing this one, count distinct use subject id as denom. So the denom variable is created and it is giving count of that particular drug. Denom variable is creating distinct use subject ID. How many subjects IDs are taking this drug? 3 patient. How many patients are taking this drug? 3. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Ashwant, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear, right? So this capital N counts are created. So what I am doing is I'm just asking SAS to create some macro variables. Why means wherever I want, I can call those macro variables in the report. So what I am doing, I'm asking SAS to create macro variables by using into method. Okay, SQL into method. Select denom. Denom means this variable. So guys, you can take any name as you wish. I'm just taking denom. If you want to take as count, you can take as count. No issues. As per your wish, you can take the variable name. I'm just telling denom. So I'm asking SAS to select denom into. I have 5 variables, 5 drugs, right? Totally, like drug A, drug B, drug C, drug D, 4, and this is the 5th one. And also TRT table, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I am doing is I'm asking SAS to select denom variable into, like whatever observation the denom contains, that should be converted to capital N1 to colon capital N5. From which data set I need to take the information? From this TRT data set. So I'm telling SAS to take from TRT data set. Okay, then I'm executing. So when I write this into method, automatically what are observation, like what observations this denom contains, that observation will be converted to macro variables as n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. Understood? Under denom, what variables, what observations we have? We have observations like 3. First one is 3. So this will convert as n1. This is 3, n2, n3, n4, n5. Understood? Whether to check whether your macro variables created correctly or not, we'll be writing percentage put. Then we'll call the macro variables ampersand n1, ampersand n2, ampersand n3, ampersand n4, ampersand n5, guys. Okay, now I'm executing the whole program. When I execute whole program, you can see in the log what is your macro variable holding. N1 is holding 3 value, which means drug A contains 3 patients. Drug A is taken by 3 patients. N2 means drug B, 3 patients. N3 means drug C, 3 patients. N4 means drug D, 2 patients. N5 means overall 19 patients. Understood?
Sir.
So whenever we want drug A, we can call ampersand N1. So automatically 3 count will be coming. Whenever we want drug 2, drug B, ampersand N2. Understood? So we created macro variables. So header part count is done. Till here it is done. This count we have created. How to create the report, I'll tell in the next part. Let us see the body part calculation. Is it clear? Header part అర్థమైందా సుజిత్ గారు మీకు కూడా?
అర్థమైంది.
Ashwant?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Now I'm going for body part. Body part calculations. How to do calculations for body part? Here what they are asking? They are asking same thing. How many patients are coming under safety population who are taking drug A? Drug A patients, like drug A who are taking drug A and who are coming under safety population. Drug B who are coming under safety population. How many patients are taking drug A as per to our data?
3.
3
3.
patients. Out of these 3, how many patients are coming under SAFFL, which means safety population? How can we get that? So in order to get that, what I am doing is I'm doing same thing. Understood? Why? Because in order to get the count, we can do proc SQL. In order to get everything like this, we can do. So what I'm doing is same thing. I'm copy pasting. See here, I'm copy pasting, but we want one more variable, extra variable. What is that variable? Can anyone tell me? Here we want only
SAFFL.
treatment. SAFFL, correct. So we need SAFFL. So when I take SAFFL, if you see, when I execute this ADSL1, now ADSL1 will get updated. Okay. See now ADSL1. If you see ADSL1, this will be having safety population S or no. Y means yes, N means no. Understood? This will tell whether patient is coming under safety population or not. This flagging will take whether if it is Y, patient is coming under safety population. If it is N, he is not taking coming under safety population. What do you mean by safety population? Can anyone tell me?
Who are
Any
under the
idea?
study?
Yeah,
Who will
who
be
are
under
under
the
the
study?
study and who are taking the medicine. Okay, patients who are taking medicine, they'll come under safety population. Simple. See here, who are taking medicine, they are coming under safety population. Who are not taking the medicine, they are coming as N. N. Here blank. Here blank. There is no medicine, then it is coming as N. So patients who are not taking medicines, they are coming as N. No, they're not coming under safety population. Who are taking medicines, they are coming under safety population. That is why they are giving flagging Y. Understood? Clear, right?
Sir.
Now, if I execute proc SQL, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4 count. But here also they are asking how many patients are coming under safety population and what is the percentage. So in order to get that, I need to include all and 5 also to get the overall count. So what I am doing, repeating the same thing. Okay, I am doing this one only. ADSL2, then TRT01PN is equal to 5, treatment is equal to all, but here I'm including SAFFL variable also. So when I execute this, ADSL2 dataset will get created along with SAFFL and all and TRT01PN. Okay. See, subject ID and flagging will be same. Additionally, we are adding only all and treatment number 5. Now, when I combine both the data sets, I can combine both the data set and I can go for calculation, proc SQL. Okay. So I'm combining both the data set, ADSL3, set ADSL1 and ADSL2. It will get combination, like both the data set will combine in vertical way, not horizontal, vertically. This is the data set one, first data set till here, second data set downside. Okay. Vertically, it is getting combined. Understood? If I give merge, how it will get combined?
Horizontal.
Yeah, horizontally. సుజిత్ గారు మర్జ్ గురించి తెలుసా మీకు? ఐడియా ఉందా?
ఏంటండి?
మర్జ్ కాన్సెప్ట్.
మెర్జింగ్ ఐడియా ఉందండి.
మర్జింగ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ సెట్ కాకుండా మర్జ్ ఇస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా హారిజంటల్ మర్జ్ అవుతుందండి. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ కమింగ్ బోటమ్, ఇది కిందకు వస్తుంది కదా, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ కమింగ్ హియర్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ నెక్స్ట్ టు దిస్ వన్. ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ హియర్ ఆర్ ఇట్ విల్ గెట్ కంబైన్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ. అండర్స్టూడ్? వెన్ వి గివ్ సెట్ ఇట్ విల్ కంబైన్ హారిజంటల్లీ, ఒకటి పైన ఒకటి కంబైన్ అవుతుంది. అదే మర్జ్ చేస్తే ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి. అండర్స్టూడ్? హారిజంటల్ అండ్ వర్టికల్ మర్జింగ్ అంటారు. Okay. Now I'm going for the counts. Now I got all the data. Now I'm going for the count. How can I count? By using proc SQL. Proc SQL, no print. Then I'm writing, asking SAS to create a table SAF as select TRT01PN, comma, TRT01P. See, from this data set, whatever variables I have, that variables I'm asking to retain to keep it in the SAF data set. So I'm telling SAS to keep first variable should be TRT01P1, PN. Second should be treatment name. Okay. Next it should be count of distinct U subject ID. Okay. As I'm taking this as NN. Here I took as denom, right? Here I'm taking variable name as small nn. Why? Because these are the small counts. Okay. Then I'm giving comma. Here we have safety population, right? So I need to represent the safety population only also. So what I am doing, I'm asking SAS to create a new variable by with observation safety population as pop. Pop is a new variable, guys. Under that observation should be safety population, and I'm giving length for this. LENGTH, length is equal to 100 I am giving. Okay. Then I'm giving comma. I'm also creating one more variable as odd ORD and taking observation as 1. Why I am taking this ORD, I'll tell you. Okay. Are you able to understand? I'm keeping these variables. TRT01PN, TRT0P, and asking SAS to count under NN, and also creating new variable pop. Under this pop variable, safety population should be created as observation, and its length I'm giving 100. And also another new variable called WARD, and observation should be 1. That is what I'm telling. And this TRT01PNP and distinct use subject, all this information should be taken from which data set? ADSL3 data set. Clear? Then I'm giving condition. What condition I need to give here? Can anyone tell me? In order to get the count. For what we are calculating? Yashwant or Sujit Garu? Any idea? Yashwant?
No. Question ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయరా?
Like
Abdul, sorry.
ఇక్కడ చూస్తే like I have given some condition, right, where TRT01PN not equal to missing. Why? Because I want the count of that all drugs along with individual drugs. But here I'm calculating for something. What condition I need to give here? Counts ఎందుకు calculate చేస్తున్నాము? Why we are calculating? Because for safety population. In order to get only safety population counts, what we need to give? Condition should be where
Where?
SAFFL equal to Y.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes,
Only
yes.
Y values that count I
We
need. That's why I'm giving equal to Y. So I'm grouping by same TRT01 01PN comma TRT01P, and also order by TRT01PN comma TRT01P. Okay, semicolon, then quit. Okay, when I execute this, my SAF dataset will get created, and this dataset will be having their count. See guys, treatment 1, and NN is the count, which means under safety population 3 patients are coming for drug A. See here I gave safety population as pop, order as 1. Okay, then why I gave this order, I'll tell you. This pop, why I gave? Why? Because here we need to represent safety population, so I gave that safety population. Understood? And this is the count what we are getting. On drug A safety population 3, drug B is 3, drug C 3, drug D 2, but overall count it is coming safety population as 11. Can you just tell me why we are getting 11 under safety population and why we are getting here 19 for normal thing?
We written a condition for with where, like we are taking only people who are in the
Safety population,
safety
correct?
population.
Which
Yes.
means patients who are getting the
We are
drug,
ignoring-
only that count we are taking, correct? That is why we are getting 11 here. Ashwant, did you get
Yes,
it?
yes, sir.
See, if you see ADSL3, here we are ignoring N part.
Yes.
Okay, that is why we are getting only 11. Understood? Now count is done. We are done with the count. What we need to do now?
Percentage.
Yeah, percentage calculations. How can we calculate the percentage? Do anyone have idea? Just tell me how can we calculate? See, we have here value as 3, this value as a small count as this is also 3. Then how can you give the percentage of this one and this one? Normal calculation, what we'll do? Any idea? Yes, no?
N by N into 100.
Yeah, capital N by small n into 100. So automatically we'll get percentage, right? 3
Right.
by 3 into 100. That is what here it is written. Hint. This is a hint. Okay.
Okay.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what I am doing is I'm just taking here count. So I'm creating new data set. Data. Final data set I'm creating. Set. I'm asking SAS to take the information from, so guys, 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I'm getting a call. Sorry guys. Okay. Now I'm creating dataset, final dataset. I'm taking the information from SAF dataset. Okay. In order to calculate the percentage count. So I'm taking the information for SAF. Now I'm asking SAS to create if, let me open SAF dataset. I'm telling SAS if TRT01P contains 1. Okay. So if TRT01PN is equal to 1, then I'm asking SAS to do, I'm creating do loop. I'm asking SAS to create new variable called grp, which is equal to, I'm converting this one. See, this is the count, right? Small nn. This is the count. This variable I'm converting into character by using put function. You know, right? Input and put function. Put function will convert numerical variables to character variables. Input function will do reverse, character to numeric. Understood? So I'm converting numerical variable to character by using put function. Put of, I'm giving nn comma 4 dot. Understood? I'm giving the length for that. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, why I'm converting means in order to represent numerical values, we need to convert into character form. Why? Because here I need to combine small n count along with the percentage in brackets. Understood? So that is given in the mock shell. That is how they are asking us to create. See, small n count should be like this, and within brackets percentage should be written. So in order to combine both the values, numerical and characters, we cannot combine. Only character where values we can combine. So that is why I'm converting this small n count into character value. Then I am concatenate with what I need to concatenate. First open bracket. Okay, so I'm concatenate with opening the brackets, then concatenate this with percentage. Correct? Percentage. How can we calculate the percentage? This also I'm converting to put of character value, small nn divided by ampersand n1 I'm writing. Correct? Small nn means when treatment TRT01 PN is equal to 1. What is my small nn value?
3.
3, correct?
Hmm.
Yeah. Then what is my ampersand n1 value? Here we have created, right? This is also 3.
Hmm.
Correct? Small nn into capital N into 100. Understood? So it will give my percentage value. Comma 5.1 I'm giving. Closing the brackets, and this I'm concatenate with closing brackets. Why? Because I have to close it. See, so I'm done with this, then ending the loop. Is it clear? I'm creating this percentage, small n outside, and within brackets I'm creating percentage. In order to create this, I'm just using put function and concatenate with brackets and both the values. So this will come as like this, 3 within brackets 3 divided by 3 into 100, which is nothing but 3 within brackets 100. This value will be getting in the output final data set. Understood, guys? Ashwant?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I'm doing is I have created new variable grp, no? So for that I'm giving length, length length for grp. I'm giving dollar something around some random length. I'm giving 100 dot. Okay, 100 I'm giving. So same way, wherever it is TRT01 PN is equal to 2, then NN should be converted to capital, sorry, character. Then here I'm giving to 2 divided by capital N2. Why? Because here NN value for treatment 2 is 3. This should be divided by capital N2. In the same way, for third treatment, if it is 3, then it should be divided by capital N3. If it is 4, it should be divided by fourth value. Okay. If it is 5, it should get divided by fifth one. Understood? Now I'm ending it and I'm running the, I'm just giving run statement, and now I'm executing the program. So my final data set will get created, and it will be having the percentage values, no errors, and final data set is created, and it will be having the percentage on the grp variable. See, 300. 3 is the count and 100 is the percentage. 3 is the safety population count and 100 is the percentage. Percentage count, percentage count. Here we can get 11 as the safety population count and within brackets 57.9 as the percentage. Understood?
Mm.
Did we get the data
Yes.
as
Yes.
per?
Yes.
Okay. Now what we need to do? See, my mock shell is like this. Okay. My mock shell is like this. My data set is like this. Is it same? No, right?
No.
My drugs are in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in observation part. But here they are asking us to represent in the form of
Variables.
variables. So what we can do in order to get that?
Match.
Transpose.
Proc transpose.
We need to transpose the data set. Okay, this data set should be transposed, reshape the data set. In order to reshape, what I am doing, first I am sorting the data. I am sorting the data by using transpose, proc transpose idea undandi Sujit garu.
Good place and search.
Okay, no problem, I'll tell you here. I'm sorting తెలుసా proc sort.
Yeah.
I'm sorting by using ORD and POP variable. Okay, then run. See, here we have two variables. ORD is equal to 1 and POP. By these variables I am sorting. Y అనేది next table అర్థమవుతుంది. Okay, I'm sorting this. Then I'm writing proc transpose. I'm asking SAS to transpose the data set. On what basis? Which data I need to transpose? This final data. Whichever data is there, this final, I'm asking SAS to transpose the data set. Out data. Transposed data set should be coming under underscore TRT, all TRT. I'm asking SAS to create prefix. Prefix is equal to D. Okay. Then see, if I transpose this final data set, how I need to transpose? Which value should be my variables? Ashwant?
Treatment.
Treatment in the sense this numbers, right? Not the treatment names, treatment numbers I want.
Numbers.
Okay. In order to get these observations, Sujit garu, just listen. In order to get these numbers as treatment like variables, we need to write this TRT01P1 under ID. ID statement.
Mm.
ID TRT01PN. Whichever variable we represent under ID, that variable observation will get converted into variable names. So 1 will create as variable name, 2 will create as variable name, 3 will create as variable name, 4 as variable name, 5 as variable name. As I am adding prefix as D, automatically D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 will get created.
Mm.
Understood? సుజిత్ గారు అర్థమైందా సుజిత్ గారు
అర్థమైందండి
ఐడి ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నాను అండ్ బై వాల్యూ ఐమ్ గివింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అండ్ పాప్ దెన్ వేర్ ఐమ్ గివింగ్ వై we are writing where like here we are creating variable names as id and under that observations what we need to get count and percentage. Count and percentage is under grp variable, so this should be coming as variables only, sorry, observations only. So I'm giving under where statement grp. Okay, now I'm just running the statement. So when I execute, my data set will get transposed and my all underscore 3 treatment data set will get created. If you open the all underscore treatment, now my data set is getting transposed. Understood? See, under odd it is coming 1, under pop it is coming safety population D1, D2, D3, D4 and D5. Clear, right? If you see my mock shell, almost it is similar, right? See, population, we gave pop. In proc report, if you define this pop as population, this will report, right? This
Yes.
will come, right? And D1, if you rechange it to, if you label as drug A, automatically D1 will change to drug A, right?
Hmm.
Like that, if you define in the proc report, everything will get changed. That is why we transpose. If you transpose, automatically data will get created. So my safety population, this is created. Safety population is created. Then D1 is created, drug 1, drug A, drug B, drug D, all is created. But statistics is not created, right?
Yes, sir.
So in order to create this, I'm asking SAS to create one new variable called stat. Okay. So for that, I'm asking SAS data all underscore TRT set also from same data set all underscore TRT Then I'm asking SAS to create one new variable called stat. In that, I'm asking SAS to take the observation as this one, which they have mentioned here. I'm taking that one. Okay, semicolon run. So when I execute this program, now my all underscore t dataset will be having the stat variable, and even that is represented in the dataset. Now can we create the proc report?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Dataset is created now. Now
Hmm.
I can create the proc report same like listings. Now what I am doing, I'm just calling from here, from macro variable, from titles proc report till here I'm copying, guys. Now what I am doing is just pasting it here and changing the titles. My title is like table 14.1.4, this one. I'm just giving it. Okay. Here this is table name.
Hmm.
What is table name? Table 1 underscore 1. Okay. Here also I'm changing this to this one, 14 underscore 1.1. Here we should give output for tables, right? So what I'm doing is going to programs. I'm creating, let me clear all the, okay, outputs, output. Let me create new folder. Table underscore 1 I'm giving. Okay. So I'm taking this path. I'm asking SAS to save that in this path. So I'm replacing the listing path with tables path. And I'm assigning the name for this one, table 14 underscore 1.1. I'm giving the extension. Clear? My data set, what is my data set? All underscore TRT. So I'm taking all underscore TRT data set. Remaining everything is same, guys. Understood? Now I'm calling the required variables. What are the required variables? If you see here, what is my required variable here? Population I want.
Population.
Safety population it is there. Where is my safety population present? In the pop variable. So pop is where required. Then D1 is required for drug A, D2 for drug B, D3, D4, D5, and also stat. This stat is also required for this one, statistics. So accordingly I'm calling. First variable I want is I'm removing all this. I'm just taking ORD. ORD for order purpose only. I'll tell you why. POP I'm taking next variable stat, next D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. Okay, same as per mock shell. As per mock shell, first pop I'm taking, next stat I'm taking, next drug 1, drug 2, drug 3, drug 4, drug 5. Clear?
Hmm.
Now I'm defining one by one. How I can define? First I'm defining order. Define ORD. I'm just defining it for order purpose. Then I'm asking SAS not to print this. Okay, not to print this. Next I'm taking pop. This pop I'm taking, it should be in the order. And what is the label? Label should be population, right?
Hmm.
So I'm giving it as population. Clear? I'm adjusting the length to 15. This also I'm adjusting to 15. Okay.
Hmm.
Next value I'm taking stat. Okay. Stat I'm taking. For stat, what is the label we need to give? We need to give as statistic. So I'm giving that statistic as label. Next value I'm taking as D1. Okay. D1 I'm taking. D1 I'm defining, and label it should be drug A. Sorry. Drug A here they have given XX, not 3. Drug A and XS. XX. So I'm taking that and copy pasting it here. Okay, but if you see it should be get splitted here. Okay, if you see here n is equal to xx, what we need to get here, what we need to get here, drug A count, right? How many patients are taking drug A, that count we need to get here.
Yes,
In
sir.
order to get that count, what we need to do, we can call ampersand
Ampersand.
n1.
Hmm.
This macro variable we can call it there. For drug 1 ampersand n1, for drug 2 ampersand n2. Understood? ampersand n1. The same way I'm creating for drug A, drug B, drug C, drug D, and all. So this is for drug 2, and drug label should be drug B, and ampersand n2 should come here. This should be drug 3. This is for drug C, and this is 3. This is 4. This is D, drug D, and this is D4. This is D5. Here label is all. So I'm removing this one and giving all, and this should be N5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And I'm changing everything to 10 in order to adjust the length. Okay, let it give 15 only for this one. Remaining values I'm changing length so that my length will get adjusted, output will get adjusted. Clear? Now I can create the lines for the mock shell like RTF file. Then I can execute the program. I'm taking these 2 lines, then I'm executing the program. Clear, right? Now when I execute whole program, my
Yes, sir. Display.
okay, fine. It will come, but we need to give display only. Anyhow, it will be coming the report. Report will get. See, it is coming, right? Safety population. See, drug A 3 patients are there. Safety population 3 patient and 100%. Drug B 3 100%. C 3 100%. 2 100%. All overall patients 19%, but under safety population only 11 patients are coming, and their percentage is 59.9. 57.9% are under safety population. Is it clear?
Yes.
Here instead of giving order, we need to give display. Okay. So they should no need to order this one. Just we need to display this drug 1, drug 2, this one. Okay, this also display only. Only pop we can give. I think yeah. Clear, right? This also display only actually. Let me rerun it. సుజిత్ గారు అర్థమవుతుందా?
అర్థమవుతుందండి.
Okay. Now let me see. See, I'm getting. So now let us see another table. Now what I'm doing is I'm just saving this as, let me save this PC SAS. Then I'm going for project, Rosha project. Here I'm going to programs. Let me give tables. Let me remove all this. Cannot, let me delete all those. Okay. So I'm taking as table underscore 1. Okay. I'm saving. Clear, right? No doubts, right?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Give me 1 minute. sorry guys. So we are done with one table. Now they are asking, let us see another table. Subject analysis to analysis, subject assignment to analysis population. It is also same like that only, but instead of safety population, they are asking for DLT available population. Okay, I'm opening the mock shell. See here, if you see the mock shell here, what they're asking, subject analysis to analysis, subject assignment to analysis population. They're asking to report both safety population and DLT available population. Whatever we have done it till now, it is for safety population, right? SAFFL, safety population. Guys, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So till now we have done for safety population. They're asking for DLT available population also. So what I can do, I can just what I'm doing is same thing. I'm just copying till here. I'm taking in next one. Here what I'm doing is I'm changing the subject. Only this is different. So what I'm doing, I'm changing it to this one. Okay. Now I can create same thing, guys. What I'm doing, header part is same, right? Same we can take. There is no filtration based on safety population or DLT available population. Sujit garu ardhamotunda? Here we are taking only safety and both safety and DLT available population. Before we have seen only safety population. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే హెడర్ is same for both. So what I'm doing, header part everything I'm just copying till here. Okay. Till here I'm copying and I'm pasting it here. When I execute, automatically my header part will come and this macro variables will get created, n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. Okay, without any errors, my count is coming. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm just creating same thing. Why? Because I want for safety population also, no? So same thing I'm taking for this body part. What they're asking, for safety population we took SAFFL. Here they are asking safety population as well as DLT available population, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we need to take SAFFL along with DLT EVLFL, EVLFL, this also. So when I execute, ADSL1 will get created and this will be having safety population and DLT available population information both. Okay. Now what I am doing is ADSL2 creating. I'm creating same, guys, nothing. Along with SAFFL, we need to take DLT available population also. That's it. So what I'm doing is I'm copy pasting this one, then DLT available population I'm giving it here. So when I combine all these three, ADSL3 will get created. This ADSL3 will have both safety population and DLT available population. Now if I run the proc SQL step, automatically count will be coming for both SAFFL and also DLT available population. So how to run proc SQL for this? So we have ran the proc SQL for safety population, right? So I'm using same thing. Okay. I'm running same proc SQL for safety available population as SAF dataset. Fine. SAF dataset will get created. Okay. Here condition SAFFL is equal to y I'm giving, I'm running. So SAF dataset will get created and this will be having count of SAF, safety population count, same like previous dataset. Now I need to create for DLT available population, right? So what I'm giving, I'm writing proc SQL, understood? Yes or no? Ashwan? Leda?
No.
Sir, here only for safety population, you took Y.
Yeah. Why? Because
DLT
I'm creating
population.
for DLT, I'm creating new dataset. I'm
Okay.
writing new program. యశ్వంత్ సుజిత్ గారు ఏం లేదు, ఇందాక దాకా మనం ఇక్కడ లైక్ వీ హ్యావ్ క్రియేటెడ్ టేబుల్ 1, రైట్? ఇన్ దిస్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఓన్లీ సేఫ్టీ పాపులేషన్. కానీ ఈ టేబుల్లో దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ బోత్ సేఫ్టీ పాపులేషన్ అడుగుతున్నారు, డిఎల్టీ అవైలబుల్ పాపులేషన్ అడుగుతున్నారు. ఆల్రెడీ మనం సేఫ్టీ పాపులేషన్ చేసాము కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టేకింగ్ ద సేఫ్టీ పాపులేషన్ థింగ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద డిఎల్టీ పాపులేషన్ యాడ్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాను అంటే ప్రాక్ ఎక్స్క్యూఎల్ స్టెప్ రన్ చేశాను. ప్రాక్ ఎక్స్క్యూఎల్ లో ఆల్రెడీ మనం సేఫ్టీ పాపులేషన్ ది క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా ప్రీవియస్ స్టెప్ లో, ప్రీవియస్ టేబుల్లో.
అవును.
సో అదే స్టెప్ తీసుకున్నాను. నేను డిఎల్టీ అవైలబుల్ పాపులేషన్ కి కొత్త డేటా సెట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ SAS to create new data set for DLT available population by writing procSQL. Create a table. I'm asking SAS to create a table DLT as same. Select TRT01PN, comma TRT01P, comma count of distinct view subject ID. Close the brackets as small n I'm giving, comma. Here what we need to take, here we have taken safety population as observation for pop. Now what we need to take, we need to take DLT available population. Why? Because we need to represent it with DLT available population. Understood? Now did you understand? DLT as pop. Okay, same I'm giving length for this also. Length is equal to 100. Sorry, length is equal to 100, comma. Now I'm taking 2 as odd. Why? Because first value it should be safety population, right? So I'm giving odd value, ORD odd value, order value as 1 for safety population, 2 for DLT available population. Got it? That is why I'm creating this ORD variable. I'm asking SAS to take all this information from ADSL3 dataset. I'm giving condition where, here I need to give, sorry, here I need to give whereas DLT EVL FL equal to Y. Correct? Then group by and order by is same. So when I execute this, now I will be getting the count only for DLT available population. No errors. Now DLT dataset, if you open, you will be getting the treatment. So under DLT available population, how many drugs are coming under DLT available population? Only 2 and 3. This is overall. Understood? 1 and 4 it is not coming under DLT available population, which means there are no patients who are coming under patients who are taking drug under DLT population. There are no patients. Only 2 and 3 drugs are coming under DLT available population. Understood? అర్థమైందా సుజిత్ గారు? యశ్వంత్, is it clear?
Got it.
యశ్వంత్?
Yes, sir.
Nothing, Yashwant. Safety population, everything, all the drugs are coming under safety population. But DLT available population, we are getting only 2 and 3 drug, which means drug B and drug C. Drug A and drug D, it is not coming under DLT. That is why we are getting count for 2 and 3 only. And
Okay.
under POP, we are getting DLT available population. Order, we are getting 2. Now I am creating final data set, which means for percentage. What I am doing is I'm creating same thing, guys. Okay, I'm taking same thing, I'm pasting it here. Now what I'm doing, I'm combining SAF and DLT both. Okay, by using set option. Understood? When I give set, automatically it will get combined vertically, one above other. First safety population will get, then DLT available population will get. So when I execute this, rest all is same, no need to change. Only I'm just combining both SAF and DLT. So when I execute, my final data set will get created. This final, let me check the log. Okay, fine. See, now I have under TRT01P1, this is the safety data set, safety population. Correct? Under POP, you can see safety population. Next, DLT available population. Correct, right? So their count and percentage, I'm getting it here. Is it clear for everyone, both of you? No? Yashwant, you are not able to understand. Just tell me yes or no, no problem.
Sir, here merging of DLT,
Mm.
I did not understood, sir, because here
Okay.
here from 1 to 3, 4 it took.
Mm.
So one after again 5, how it will merge, sir? Again like 2, 3, 5.
Okay, I'll tell you. సుజిత్ గారు, మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా?
లేదండి.
Okay, fine. So see here, what I am doing is, let me write the program so you might understand. We created SAF, right, for safety population. Correct?
Yes.
What SAF contains? It contains safety population data along with its count. Correct? Safety population, under safety population, drug 1, drug 2, drug 3, drug 4, drug 5. All drug 4, all 4 drugs are coming under safety population. Why? Because there are patients who are coming under safety population. So all 5 are coming. If you see DLT available population, if you see DLT available population, how many patients are coming? How many drugs are coming? Only 2 and 3 are coming. This is overall count, guys. Overall, 6 patients are coming under DLT available population. That too from second drug and third drug DLT available population, it is coming. Clear?
Okay. Sir, here in programs, sir,
Hmm.
just open programs.
Hmm.
Sir, here in one step only, we cannot run both
Yeah, you can
FL
run.
and
You can
DLT.
write. You can write like this. You can write like this. One step
Okay,
like this. You can write like this. No
okay.
issues. Okay. So when you run two data sets, SAF and DLT, both
Mm.
data sets will get created. Understood? When you
It
execute,
will merge both.
no, it will not merge. It will create separately. Why? Because I'm telling separately to create SAF by using this filter. Remember, Ashwant, I am using different conditions for creation of these two data sets. For SAF data set, I'm using SAFFL equal to Y. For DLT, I'm using DLT equal to Y. That is why I'm not, while creating, I'm not using both a combination data set. I'm creating data set separately, then I'm merging, and then I'm setting it. Understood?
Okay.
So now, based on DLT available population, DLT dataset got created. Based on safety available population, safety SAF dataset got created. Now, what I'm creating, I'm asking SAS to create final dataset. I'm asking SAS to merge
Both.
SAF and DLT. Both the datasets I'm combining. ఓకే సుజిత్ గారు అర్థమవుతుందా? SAF అండ్ DLT రెండు కంబైన్ చేయమంటున్నాను. కంబైన్ చేసి నాకు ఫైనల్ డేటా సెట్ ఇవ్వమంటున్నాను. క్లియర్?
Yes.
Now I'm asking SAS to calculate combined data set. By using combined data set, if TRT01PN is equal to 1, then I'm asking SAS to do GRP value కొత్త variable create. I'm asking SAS to create new variable called GRP, and I'm asking SAS to convert put of NN comma 4 dot. NN I'm asking SAS to convert numerical value to character value. I'm giving length as 4 dot and combine with opening brackets, concatenate with put of. I'm asking SAS to combine with percentage now. NN divided by ampersand capital N1. Okay, into 100. This is the percentage calculation, comma 5.1 is the length for that. One, it should come with one decimal. Okay, then concatenate with within quotation closing the brackets semicolon. I have loop, that is why end I'm giving. Okay, so what will happen? See, for SAF, like safety population data set, what will happen if you open the safety population data set? Here we are asking when 1 is equal to TRT01 P1 EPN is equal to 1, this NN, what we are telling, this one, if PRT01 is equal to 1, this NN dataset variable should convert to character value. Correct? And that value as per 1 safety population 1 is 3. Correct? When TRT01 PN is equal to 1, NN value is 3. So this should convert to character value. Then it should combine with within brackets this value small nn, which means 3 divided by ampersand n1, means there we have called that is equal to 3 only, into 100 we are giving. Correct? Which is equal to 3 within brackets 100 we'll be getting. So like that it will get calculated for all the values. For this one it will calculate, for this one it will get calculated, for this one, this one, and all that calculated values will be coming under GRP, and it will be coming like this: 3 of 100, 3 of 100, 2 of 100, 11 of 57.9 for safety population. Okay, the same way for DLT what will happen? Do we have, okay, this one DLT. For DLT what we have? Do we have 1? No, right? So it will go for 2. For DLT it will go for 2 wherever 2 is there, which means when we write next one, if treatment, this one it will ignore, it will go for 2. If it is treatment number 2, then what will happen? This NN, Here also we took count under NN only, small NN. Where when it is 2, treatment is equal to 2, then NN it will create, it will convert to uh, character value, then it will combine with this NN value into capital N. What is the capital N1? That one, and combination, and it will give the result like this for DLT also. How it is combining? Why means, see here, when we are combining, POP is there. Under POP we have safety population. Under POP here we have DLT population. So it is getting differentiated. So automatically it will get combined. When we write set, it will get combined in vertically. It will get combined vertically, right? One above the other.
Mm.
So first
Yes.
data set will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safety population. Second data set will be like this one: 2, 3, 5. DLT available population. Understood, Ashwant?
Yes, sir.
Sujit Garu, clear?
Clear అండి.
Yeah. So now when I execute it like this, 3, for 3 I'm giving, if it is 3, then this should be also 3. If it is 4, if treatment is equal to 4, treatment number is equal to 4, this also should be 4. If it is 5, even that should be 5. Even this should be 5. Clear? Then I'm ending with run. So when I execute this, my final data set,
N2, sir, N2.
here I took no N2.
N2. Here, sir.
Okay,
Put
sorry. N2. Okay,
Mm.
N2. So when I execute it, see now, no errors. Okay, now when I open the final data set, see now, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is safety population. See here under POP we have safety population, and we have here under GRP we have their count, small n counts and percentage. Correct?
Mm.
Down we have vertically count combined. 2, 3, 5 is from DLT population, and it has its count and percentage under GRP.
Okay.
Got it? Under ORD we are creating safety population as 1, and for DLT population we created 2.
Mm.
So that is only we are coming. POP we gave safety population, for this we gave DLT available population. Clear?
Mm.
So I am sorting the data set now.
Mm.
Okay, why? Because we need to transpose as per our mock shell, right? So before transposing, I'm sorting. By which variables I'm sorting? Proc sort by
ORD.
ORD and POP. Understood?
Mm.
Then run. So when I sort by ORD and run, automatically my data set will get sort by ORD. ORD value has 1 and 2. So it will get sort accordingly, and I'll be getting safety and DLT. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am transposing the data set. Same like previous. Proc transpose data is equal to final only, right?
Mm.
Transpose. Yep. Okay. Final data final out is equal to all underscore TRT. Prefix I am taking, prefix is equal to D. Okay. ID value it should be TRT01 PN. TRT01 PN ID value. By value ORD POP. Then what left? Where it should be GRP values. Then run. Okay. I'm executing it. When I execute, my data set will get transposed and all TRT will get created. See, no errors. Now if you see all TRT, now you can see first one we are coming, second one we are getting. First one is safety population, second is DLT population. Now did you understand why I'm taking ORD value?
Yes, sir.
When we sort and when we transpose, automatically it will give the order number.
Mm.
1 and 2. So see, safety population, DLT available population. Now D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 we are getting. Wherever it is missing under DLT available population, we don't have drug 1 and drug 4.
Mm.
So it is giving empty.
Mm.
Correct?
Mm.
So what else left? We are left with statistics. So it should come. In order to get that, what we need to do, same like previous one, we can create one data set like this. Okay.
Mm.
So I'm creating this one. And also wherever there is missing value, wherever there is missing value, we should represent it with 0.
Okay.
Understood? which means there are 0 subjects under D1. Under DLT population, there are no patients. Under DLT population, there are no patients who are taking drug A and drug D. There are no patients who are coming under DLT available population. That is what we need to represent. So we need to give 0. Okay, this is a character variable, right? By using put function, we converted and we combined. This is a character variable. So what I am doing, I am writing condition, guys. I'm giving here everything is same, just I'm writing here if D1 is equal to missing, then D1 is equal to, I'm asking SAS to create 0 value. Okay, if it is missing, change it to 0. If it is missing, change it to 0. So I'm changing D2, D3, D4, D5. Same thing I'm taking this side also. Okay, clear? So when I execute, automatically my missing values will get replaced with 0 if it is missing. See now I'm all TRT I'm opening. See D1 0, D4 0. Wherever it is missing, it is creating. Under stat, we are getting this one. Same like this, no? Now we can write proc report. Sujit garu అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైందండి.
Now I'm running the proc report by calling the macros. Remaining everything is same. Only titles we need to change. Rest all is same. No need to change anything. Okay. Now I'll explain. Guys, if you are not able to understand when I'm copy pasting, just let me know so that I'll write the program. Okay. ఎందుకంటే same thing I'm going to repeat. Because of that, I'm copy pasting. But if you are not able to understanding when I'm copy pasting, just let me know. I'll rewrite the program. Okay. Now I'm changing the title. Then I'm changing this title also. This like path for the title. Here also I'm changing it to 2. Clear? Now my data set is all TRT only, no? All TRT only. So my data set is same. Now required variable is odd, pop, stat, D1, D2, D3. Order we are giving in for ordering purpose. Population we are giving under population display. Same thing. Population we should give for that one. Statistic we are giving statistic. Drug A, drug B, drug C. Same thing we are giving. Okay. Rest all is same. No need to change. So when I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
You want me to explain one more time?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Yashwant?
No, sir.
Okay. So when I execute now, if everything syntax is correct, then without any errors, my report will get generated. See, I'm getting both safety population and DLT available population. Drug A, safety population. Drug A, 3 patients are taking, and out of 3 patients, 3 patients are coming under safety population, but 0 patients are coming under DLT available population. Drug B is taken by 3 patients. 3 patients are under safety population, and also 3 patients are coming under DLT available population. Drug C also getting the count and percentage. Drug D also getting the count for safety, but for DLT it is coming 0. Total DLT available population, 6 patients are coming under that. Out of 19 patients, 6 patients only coming under DLT available population. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are just giving the analysis population in this way. Who are coming under which population? We are creating one table and we are reporting it to authorities. We'll give it to sponsor. Let me save this. Like tables are a little bit different, guys, comparatively. Compared to listings, tables are different. Okay, try to practice and try to understand the mock shell. Unless you understand the mock shell, you cannot write the program for tables. Okay, main thing is like we need to create the data. See, from here macro, remaining everything is same like listing only. But main thing is like creating the data set, final data set by required variables as per mock shell. As per mock shell, we need to create, we need to modify, we need to manipulate the data and create the data set as per our requirement. Then that by using that data set, we need to report it in the RTF form. Clear? Main task is creating the data set. How you are going to create data set for report. Till here, we need to learn. Remaining everything already we have learned in listings. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the assignment. Subject analysis to analysis subject assignment to analysis population. I think this is see, same thing but PK available population. So what you need to do, Same thing you need to write, but here we created DLT, you know. The same way you need to write one more, you need to create one more data set called PK. Here also you need to give the data set, then execute, then run. Everything is same. Rest all is same. If you run automatically in your report, here you will get safety, DLT, then PK available population also, their count and percentage you will be getting. Any doubts?
No.
Okay, Ashwant.
No, sir.
Okay, practice. While practicing, if you are getting any kind of doubts, let me know. Why? Because when you listen for first time, you might be getting some confusions. But when you practice, you will understand what you are doing and why you are doing. Clear? If you are not able to understand why you are doing that step, you just ask me. I'll explain you why we are doing that step. Okay?
Sure, sir.
So practice is important. So try to complete this assignment. Along with that, COVID, these 3 tables you need to complete. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll complete this 2, most probably these 2, 5 and 6 tables. Day 5, day 6 I'll be completing tomorrow only. Okay, like be thorough with these 2 tables so that we can easily complete remaining tables. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Okay.
okay, guys. If you have any doubts, just let me know.
Mm.
Okay, okay then we'll connect tomorrow 8 o'clock. Okay,
Sure, sir.
yeah, okay, guys.
Thank
Then
you.
good night. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Sir.
Good night.
Bye.